Hello guys, this is Abhijit and you are watching Roy Tech Tips YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to share with you guys like how you can service your AC at your home without any technician support. You just need a blower. And the first steps is to dry the AC. So if your AC is running for a while, there is a moisture inside it, there is probably a water inside it. So before cleaning the AC, we need to dry it to remove those darts. So I set the AC on fan mode and run it for near about 30-40 minutes. After 30 minutes later, I turn off the AC, switch it off and then remove the plug. Next we will open the front panel of the indoor unit. It's pretty simple, just remove those clips and it will open. After opening the front panel, you will see there is two air filters and those air filters are dirty. It's full of dust and you need to clean it using simple water. You see guys, my AC filter is full of dust and it also blocking the airflow. Pulling the air filter up will detach it from the AC. Remove the air filter. There are two air filters and a bacteria filter. This is the bacteria filter. Remove the bacteria filter, then remove the another air filter. After removing air filters, you will notice that AC fins are blocked with insane amount of dust. To remove those dust, you can use an air blower or an air compressor. I am going to use an air blower. Turn the air blower on and move the air blower head vertically and make sure blower head doesn't touch the AC fin. Now as you see guys, the cooling fin looks neat and clean. It will definitely improve the cooling performance. Next we have to clean those two air filters and bacteria filter. I put all of these filters below the tap water and I just clean it using water. And if your air filter is really dirty, you can use some detergent or you can use some liquid soap to clean it up. After clean up, put those air filters some places to dry it up. After this, I'm going to use an air conditioning cleaner and purifier named Blue Oxy. It will kill bacteria and germs, also clean remaining dust from the AC. It will also remove any kind of bad smell from the air conditioner. I bought it from Amazon. If you want to check it, all the link is in the description below. This is optional, but definitely this will give you an awesome fresh air from your AC. I am spraying it on the metal pin just once and leave it for 5 minutes. Then take those filters and if there is still are wet, use a towel to soak the water from the air filters and then place the bacteria filter and air filter inside the AC. Then close the front cover and then clean the AC using a cloth. Next, plug the AC cord in, turn on the AC and set it on maximum cooling and run it for 15 to half an hour to let the AC clean itself. As you see guys, few minutes later, dirty soap water is falling out from the AC drain. Turn the AC for a couple of minutes more to clean the fin, and after that turn off the AC. The outdoor unit is on the rooftop and yesterday there was a heavy rain and it cleaned the unit. There is no dust over the fins, it's absolutely clean, so I don't need to clean the outdoor unit. But if your outdoor unit is dirty, you can clean it just using a blower.